Ever get that weird sinking feeling in your stomach, like something's off, even before you know what it is? That's not just nerves or bad curry. That's your second brain talking. Yep, deep in your gut lives a complex network called the enteric nervous system, made up of over 500 million neurons. That's more than some animals have in their actual brains. Scientists literally call it your second brain because it can think, react, and control major body functions completely on its own. It handles digestion, immunity, even your emotional responses, and it doesn't need your actual brain as permission to do it. Imagine your stomach calling the shots while your brain's just along for the ride. Mad, isn't it? But it gets weirder. Because this gut brain doesn't just help you digest food, it's running your emotions, shaping your mood, and maybe even making your decisions for you. You ever get butterflies before a date? Or feel sick before a job interview? That is not in your head. That is your gut literally reacting to your emotions. Your gut produces 95% of your body as serotonin. That is your feel-good hormone. In other words, your happiness starts in your stomach. If your gut health is off, bloating, poor diet, stress, your serotonin levels drop and you feel anxious, sad, or just meh. And it's all because of that second brain working overtime down there. But here's where it gets a bit sci-fi. The system doesn't just respond to stress. It can actually send messages to your brain and tell it how to feel. That's why when you're hungry, you're cranky. Or when you're bloated, your whole day feels off. Your gut literally bosses your brain around. Wild, right? And we haven't even touched the bacteria that live inside you, the real power players. Inside your belly lives an entire ecosystem of bacteria called the gut microbiome. Sounds gross. But these tiny creatures actually help run the show. They help you digest food, support your immune system, and even affect your sleep, energy, and personality. When you eat healthy food, you feed the good bacteria, the ones that keep your gut-brain balanced. But eat rubbish, sugar, grease, processed junk, and you feed the bad ones who throw your system into chaos. It's like inviting drama to dinner, then wondering why your life feels off. Even diseases like depression, anxiety, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's are now being linked to an unhealthy gut. Your gut isn't just a digestion pipe. It's a decision maker, an emotional engine, and possibly your real boss. So, who's really running your life? You, or the clever colony of bugs in your belly? Want more science like this? Tap that follow and let's decode your body, one weird fact at a time.